Players practice finding and penetrating gaps in the defense in this game we call Jailbreak. Use a half court. Here's how it looks. Divide players into two teams, dribblers and defenders. The dribblers start inside the paint, each with their own ball. The defenders spread out along the three-point line. On your call, the dribblers have 8 seconds to make it past the three-point line. The defenders can't grab the ball, but they're allowed to slide back and forth, containing the dribblers inside. If a dribbler breaks free, they become a defender in the next round. Continue until there's only one dribbler left. Then swap roles and play again. Dribblers won't be able to find gaps in the defense and break out if they don't keep their heads up and their eyes forward. This is also a great opportunity for offensive players to practice using their non-dribbling arm to protect the ball from defenders.
Loud and proud. 1, 2, 3.
Let's go!